Imagine walking down a busy street and stumbling upon what appears to be just another regular dumpster. Yet this is no ordinary dumpster filled with garbage. Inside lies an incredibly designed, tiny home, thanks to the creativity of an inventive young woman. This once ordinary dumpster has been turned into a warm and inviting living space. Meet Sasha, a sweet lady who saw beyond the dirt and rust of an old dumpster. She envisioned a hidden gem where others saw junk. Through her vision and hard work, she transformed it into something truly amazing. This stunning makeover has changed the way we think about homes, showing us that beauty and functionality can come from the most unexpected places. At first look, you might think Sasha's home is just another piece of trash left in the city. Don't be tricked by how it looks on the outside. Inside, there's a living space that's been thoughtfully put together, making us rethink what we know about keeping things simple and minimal. The coolest part? This dumpster house got Sasha thinking. She started making more homes like this one out of recycled stuff and giving them to homeless people. Isn't that awesome? Are you curious about how complete and functional a home the size of a parking spot can be? Get ready to have your expectations shattered. In the heart of a bustling city where space is a luxury, one person's trash has truly become another's treasure. The innovative roof design of this unique home plays a crucial role in its comfort and functionality. With the ability to open windows and doors, the space can quickly ventilate, allowing air to circulate efficiently. This is especially beneficial given the metal structure's tendency to heat up rapidly under the sun. However, it also cools down just as swiftly once the sun sets, ensuring the interior environment adjusts rapidly to maintain comfort. Additionally, the roof's clever crank-down mechanism is a game-changer for weatherproofing. When rain begins to fall, simply cranking the top down seals the home, preventing any water from entering. This feature not only highlights the home's adaptability to different weather conditions, but also its ingenious use of space, designed to ensure livability. Sasha's dumpster home kitchen isn't just for cooking. It's a masterpiece of clever design and smart use of space. Imagine a single burner boasting 2,000 BTUs of power, perfect for quick gourmet meals, all thanks to a simple propane tank. But that's just the beginning. With a slide of a panel, you're greeted by a hidden refrigerator and pantry, cleverly designed to store all your essentials without cramping the space. And the best part? A sink that rolls out as if by magic, making cleanup a breeze after your culinary exploits. But the real jewel of this compact kingdom is the bathroom. Tucked under a cushion lies a toilet with a nautical twist. Originally from a boat, its smart design allows it to drop down 6 inches, ready for hookup to a septic system. Ready to see more? So there you have it, the story of Sasha and her incredible dumpster-turned-tiny house. But the adventure doesn't end with just one cool home. Inspired by her own creation, Sasha started a whole new project, making tiny recycled homes for people without one. Imagine turning things like old fridge doors, broken furniture, and discarded frames into a cozy place someone can call their own. Sasha is doing just that, adding wheels to these homes so they can go wherever they're needed most. But hey, reading about it is one thing. Seeing it is a whole other level of awesome. This isn't just about making do with less. It's about giving back in the most creative way possible. Be sure to watch these videos. It's not just inspiring. It's a fun peek into how one person's trash can truly become another's treasure.